Alright boys, we're going to do this little video here. Now this is a shallow hole here, okay? I've got a lot of sun coming in on me at a bad angle here. There's 3 nails there. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Nothing in there non-ferrous. Alright. We're going to sweep over these with a notch of 2 to 11. You get to hear that machine. Alright? You get to hear it. Alright? Those nails are still in there, and that clad dime's going right in the middle of them there. You see that? There's that clad dime, it's in there. I think you see that in that camera. Okay. It's in there. Alright. You hear that machine now, what it sounds like? Okay, now just to show you, fast program, 5 tones. No notch. That was a sensitive program you heard. There's a silencer of 1. Speed 2.5. That's the fast program on that. You hear it. Hear that? Okay, now I'm transitioning back to sensitive. I've got that 1 locked up in that meter. You hear that signal right there? Let's go to the fast program. Hard iron tone. Okay. Rotate it. You hear that? Back to sensitive. So 1 in the meter. That's 5 tones. I can turn that tone up if I desire, okay? I turned it up a little bit. Maybe you can hear it better. You hear that? Now that's just about a 2-inch deep clad dime in amongst nails, okay? Fast program again. You can take this machine and find shallow clad that's even masked, okay? But you need to watch that notch set and don't start too high. I recommend starting at 2. I'll show you in the camera here. This is a sensitive program. You can use other programs to do this with. You see that in that camera there? Maybe 2 through 11 notched in this video right here, okay? You won't hear a lot of real hard hitting number 1s and sights generally, okay? You're going to hear some, but you get to turn on them, you know, and if you're getting 4-way like on that right there, you know, I'm getting 4-way. Hear that? We know that's a non-ferrous target down there. We've listened to that with just the nails with the glue in, okay? Hope you enjoy.